welcome to my channel. I back with new video again. And look, our brush is falling down with the Play-Doh. and the water is going and come back. And watch my video again. And it's about to go away. And later on tomorrow I will go to school. And I saw that popsicle plastic. When I done eating, I throw there too. I will drop my new phone too. I will be careful. And there's our boat. He's one to go in the water, and I need to bring there. and I will go there later on when I finish the video, and get big thumbs up and subscribe and get a big thumbs up. Bye guys.